in this class, I'm going to be showing you two things. Now, the first thing I'll be showing you is how they created this glow effect, like one of you requested. This effect is actually just a color grading effect. Then this test, I've already taught is how you can create test effects in your Photoshop or CorelDRAW. This is the background, and they actually used a contrast effect on this flyer to increase or to enhance the glow. You get? So this background was actually made blur. It's not one background. So we'll be going straight to how they achieve this. But first of all, I'm going to be showing you a test effect you should consider using. All right, so let me fill this workspace with black color. Let's say okay, green file. I want to take these two classes together. One of you asked for how they create all these glow effects on the text. So let me show you my character to something calligraphic. You can use any font as well. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'll duplicate this text by holding down my Control key and hitting letter J. So I have two of it here. I'm going to change this color. I'll change this color to a green. Okay. Bring it underneath the one with white. Then the one under, I'm going to be making it blur. Yeah, to ask you to convert to object, smart object, see convert to smart object. Then you have to make blur. You can increase your blur. So this is how you create those blur effects you see on some of those tests you sent to me in the class, requesting how they actually made this happen. So it's actually a blur effect. You can decide to change the colors and all that. Come to your adjustments. Since you've already converted to smart objects, you can change the color from the test color option anymore. So you have to come here to change. You can see. So these are the create all those text effects. Now secondly, like I said, we'll be creating the flyer you also sent. Our challenge will be the images, because we don't have the images in particular, the images they use for this flyer. We don't have them, so we're going to be making use of any other image. Or what I will do here is I will show you how to create this effect on an image, because this is probably a flyer then that you can design once you know how to create this effect on this image. This test effect is actually simple. I can show you how they created it. So as not to take much time, let me show you how they created this test effect. Then I will show you how you can edit images that have this kind of bluish glow effect. So let's delete this. You can make use of this in all your designs, you get? So that's how you create those glow test effect. So like I said, okay, let me still make use of this green vial whatsoever. Change my font. Let's change our font. Okay, So this effect on this text, the effect here, let's create it. So you can see the text is actually red. It's red. So right click on your text, then blend option, gradient overlay, okay, can take this, so we'll go to bevel and emboss. Then you can use your contour to change the position of or the direction of your text. So we'll be doing that. I think I would prefer this. Okay, I prefer this. So we come back to our gradient overlay and choose a better one. I think we have better options here. Let's change this to linear. We have better options. Then you can use color overlay if you want to. Okay. Add the texture. You can decide to add your pattern to it too. Please reduce that. Okay, I think we are a bit close to what they did here. So go back. I think we should use this. Okay, so we have a text effect like this. No. Scale this top down. All right, I think we have it. We have it. So something close to what we have here that you can use, although they are not the same font. I think the font they use in that place should be Swiss. Yeah, I think that's Swiss. Yeah. I think it should be Swiss. Or let's try impact. Make it italic. Okay, we can use this. So that was how they created this text effect. Then let's go over to the images. So let me bring in any image of my choice and let's work with that. Okay, so let's bring in this image. Okay, let's bring in this image. There are different ways to achieve this bluish glow effect you're seeing here. All right, so One way is to make this image black and white first by going to your image menu, then click on black and white, then click on tint. You are going to be tinting this picture to give you that bluish glow effect. Okay, so this is one way to achieve what you're seeing here. You can see it. This is one way to achieve it. For instance, if you don't want to make use of this, let's go back, cancel. You can duplicate this image, Ctrl J, then the one underneath, you're going to be making it black and white, then we add the same effect to it. Okay, so you can see it's underneath. So what you're going to be doing now is you'll be cleaning the one on top. Take your eraser tool. Okay, then you have to clean this because it's no longer needed. You get? So we are going to work on this. Actually, yeah, definitely going to work on the contrast. So you can make this darker. I think that will work. Okay, let's merge these two layers so we can work on them. So let me bring this image to camera raw and see what comes out. But for this glow effect, it's as simple as this. Okay, then what I'm doing is I'm trying to give it that oily feel you are seeing here, that oily feel. So that's what we have here, right? That's what we have here now. So all right, so you see this, these are you edit all that. So you have to just fit them into the flyer. You get, this is a background that you can make blur. I've shown you how they achieve this. So I think you can add your shadow to that text if you want it to be all right. Okay, add your shadow. So it's as simple as this. All you have to do is edit your image. This is the glow effect you are still seeing here. So that's just what they did in this flyer. So that will be the end of this class. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next class.